In this video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Google Workspace Essentials to Google Workspace Standard. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you need to access the Google Workspace. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll want to enter the admin console. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Google services. So go ahead and locate the admin console on the page and click on it. It should be pretty straightforward if you're familiar with Google's layout. After you've entered the admin console, you'll need to head over to the Google Workspace dashboard. This is where you'll find all the essential tools and resources at your disposal. It's organized in a user-friendly manner, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You will see an option for billing within this dashboard. Click on billing to proceed further. Now within the billing section, you'll come across an option labeled subscriptions. Go ahead and click on subscriptions. This area is important because it provides an overview of all your active subscriptions, letting you manage them easily. When you're in the subscriptions section, your next task is to select the specific subscription you'd like to upgrade. Since we are switching from Essentials to Business Standard, make sure you are choosing the Essentials plan here. Once your current subscription is selected, you should notice an upgrade option. Clicking on this lets you browse through available upgrade options. You want to specifically select Business Standard to match your intended goal for this setup. And that's it. This process should now have transitioned your Google Workspace from the Essentials plan to the Business Standard plan. Before concluding, let me offer a couple of quick tips. Ensure that you have admin rights for your organization as these steps require it. Also, check your billing details to confirm everything is in order, as plan switches can affect how charges are applied. I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow, and remember, a successful transition ensures that all the powerful features of the Business Standard plan are now at your workplace's disposal, enhancing productivity and collaboration. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy your upgraded Google Workspace experience.